Hi everybody, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. I'm here with a really quick video to show you some new ephemera that I have in my shop. I'm still really enjoying this fall theme, and I had a few more of these book pages from the 1800s left over. The thing I love about these is that they have this really nice border on every one of these pages. And so I had made some of these fall pages previously with some rub-ons that I had, and they sold within literally a half hour of me putting them in the Etsy shop. And I didn't have any more of those rub-ons, but I wanted to make some more of these. So I went out and I got some beautiful fern stamps, and I have an ink pad that is all fall colors. So I went ahead and stamped a variety of ferns onto these pages, and I can offer two more packs of 10 pages. After that, I don't have any more pages from this book. I've used them all. Well, I've used all the appropriate ones. There are some poems in there that one is called The Leg, and it's about a guy that had to have his leg amputated. So I don't think anybody wants that in their journal. So all of the appropriate pages are done. I have two more sets of these. There are three different colors. Let me find the three here. Here's the other. Two of them are kind of similar, but there's this really pretty, it's actually a fern color. And then I have a sort of a burnt sienna color, and then a Cabernet color. And actually you can see some on my hand here. I'm all fall, my fingers are all fall colored. So, um, so I have 20 of these available. They come in packs of 10, $7.50 plus free shipping, and they're gonna go quick. So this is all I have. I'm on the lookout for some more old poetry books that have these borders around them, because I'm just finding that I absolutely love the look of the border. And when you see it on a junk journal page, and I know you guys keep wanting to buy this journal, and I keep showing it, but it's just become like my example book. I don't know. I can't promise that I'm ever going to list this. I love this junk journal, but look how pretty it looks. It's just so vintage looking. These pages are from a book of friendship, from the I think the book was 1883. I'm trying to look at the cover page there. I think 1883. But doesn't that just look so vintage? So I made some of these today, and then last week I spent quite a bit of time making something new that I'm excited about, and I haven't seen anybody doing this yet. I'm very excited. Look, I made butterfly garland out of vintage book pages, and I sewed them. So this is a vintage book page, and I cut it with a die, and then I stamped onto it. I have a really cool set, and I think you can still get these. I saw one at Michael's the other day. It's a die and stamp combination. So it has a bunch of dies, and then it has a stamp that fits the die. And so I cut out the butterfly on vintage 1800s book pages, and then I stamped on top of it in I did two colors this time. I did a purple and a metallic blue, and I backed it to a nice piece of craft paper. And actually, I probably didn't need to do this, but I think what makes my shop really special is the attention to all of these little details that I do. I just want to always give quality products, and so I did actually emboss with my die cut machine, I embossed the craft paper on the back so that if you want to take this little butterfly and have him be like this, then it's just beautifully two-dimensional. And these, you can use these as a whole piece of garland if you wanted to. Let me grab my journal again. If you wanted to put it in your book as a really cool bookmark, you could do that. If you wanted to use it at a party, maybe you're hosting a crafting party or something and you wanted to use these for decorations, you could do that. Or if you want, you can just cut them off. I left enough room here for you to be able to separate them, and you can put them one or two or three at a time in your journal just like this. So this is the purple, and then the blue is a really beautiful sort of metallic blue. So I have those two colors available, and I don't know if I remembered to mention or not, but on each string you get 10 butterflies. You also feel free in my shop to click on the butterflies and then click on request custom order, and I can make these in pretty much whatever color you would like. So if there's a color that you prefer besides purple and metallic blue, let me know. It would be fun to make other colors. I can also make them if you don't want the colors and you just want the book page showing. I can do that too. So just let me know. So these are available in my shop right now. It's Wednesday, October 31st. It's about 4 o'clock. These just went into my shop a couple of minutes ago. I have I have 5 garlands made and ready to ship, but I can easily make more of these. These, however, this is it. I can make more, but not on these beautiful poetry pages with the borders. So head on over to my shop. I'll click the link below, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.